Peter from GF USA Guitars and Basses, and I have another explanation here for my new deluxe the GF 3-way master tone control. Here in the bag is the old version. On the old version I didn't have a connector in. On the new versions I'm using connector like an input and output are wires. So what you can do, let me show you, you can put different modules in the chain and you can build up any of your setups, anything what you want. So this is my new version of GF 3-way master tone control, revolutionary passive electronics, and sounds excellent. I made it better than this version. First, it's much smaller, so this is 1 inch. It will fit in any cavity deeper than 1 inch. You'll probably fit a Rickenbacker even easy. So that new version of GF 3-way master tone control has a dual potentiometer. It's MN, and I am using 250 or 500K. It depends what you want. 500K, it's a little bit more dynamic. It gives you like more volume, but 250K, it's a little bit warmer. So it's up to you. I am building it custom made. So basically I build what you want. There is on every module, every board, it's one orange camp, and that orange camp I am using 15 or 22 nanofarads. Again, custom. 22 I prefer for the bass, 15 for the guitar, and that's that sound of the low bypass when you don't have the high frequencies. So I am using orange cap. Then for the high frequency bypass I am using 2 blue caps, and together it gives me like 4.7 nanofarad. When I get them together, for the guitar 3 to 4.7, and for the bass I can go to 6, 7, even the 8. It depends what you want. So GF master tone control. When the tone control is closed all the way, you don't have, you hear that we lost completely that white noise from the computer. I'm running the computer through the small speakers, for the 2 EMG pickups, and when you close it, it has a less high frequencies. When you put it in the middle, and in the middle there is a notch in that part. When you see that opening for the screw right here, that's a middle position. It's clean and natural sound, and when you open it completely, it's less bass. It cuts off that unwanted bass. If you want to have that crispy sound with the more presence, that's what you get. It cuts off that bass. So let me show you. I am playing Abraxas Fit, song named Fit, and I will show you a little bit those 3 options, how it works, and then I will explain you a little bit more about those modules. Less high frequencies, clean sound, full sound, natural sound, less high frequencies. Listening how smooth it goes, no bumps. Right in the middle, natural sound. Now I will go to present. Low frequency sound. No low frequencies, but that presence is still in. Really smooth. Do you hear it? How smooth is it? No bumps. Oh, this is full range.
Jsem jako pes, za každé vitamin se vodou chvět. Jediné, co mi vlastně pořád schází, je peněz víc. Jako čaroděj letí na mes a za všechny ty budu dělat med. Že jsem fit, všechno mi slouží. Fit, hned jak si další léky dám.
So I am surprised how smooth is it. That you can hear another guitar tone controls and you are turning, nothing's happening, and then when you go to all the way to the end of the track of the potentiometer, there is the bump, and suddenly it works like switch. It cuts off the frequencies. This one is, listen it even on that white noise. Now it's a low bypass filter, so no high frequencies, only low frequencies. Listen it, how smooth is it? Beautiful. So what I'm going to do, I have over 20 guitar innovations for the series parallel, for the blending pickups in the series in the parallel, for the switching polarity in the series parallel. I have like over 20 innovations, 20 US patent granted by US Patent Office, and I will try to make them all on same size modules, just one potentiometer. So what I want to do, I won't be able then each module, one will be say tone control, three-way tone control, another will be equalizer, EQ, third will be volume, and you'll be able, without a soldering station, take your wire on your guitar from your pickup and plug it in right here in that connector. That connector all the time right here is input, and output on those boards will be the wires, and the wires from the one board goes to the input to the connector of another board. So say I lost it right now, so here is a pickup, wire of the pickup goes right here. Say this will be single series parallel. So on the humbucker pickup you'll be able first knob switch series single parallel combination on the potentiometer. Second knob, say, will be that three-way tone control. So you'll be able to cut high frequencies, cut low frequencies, or in the middle it'll be natural clean sound. Third one, say you will use the equalizer. It will give you, the equalizer will give you that wah-wah effect. And the fourth in the line, I can use, say we need volume control. So we need volume control, so the fourth one in the line will put on volume control. This will be 4 potentiometers for the one pickup. You don't have to use the 4. What I am trying to do right now, the next that board will be volume EQ combination. From the 0, the middle will be volume, in the middle will be maximum, and from the maximum volume to the maximum opening, that part, you will have a different sound EQ on the maximum volume of the potentiometer. If you will use that volume knob with this three-way tone control knob on Gibson guitars, and you will have a 2 parts volume tone control for the one pickup, volume tone control for the another pickup, and then you will have your switch. You will have a really nice setup for the Gibson guitar from 2 volume and 2 three-way tone controls. So guys, this is really smooth. I have to play it once more, and when I'll get the master tone control EQ/EQ done, I will set it up and I'll make another demo, another explanation right here on the table. I like to do it on the table, but when I'll get a good guitar player here, I hope that Johnny will show up sometime. Everybody wants a Johnny. When he will show up, I will ask him to do the demo for me, and then I will show you demo. So let me play end of the songs and listen that smooth 3-way tone control. Of course, it's passive. Everything what I build is passive. Present. Last bass.
říkali dnes, v reklamě, co má dělat lepší svět. Dejte mi zdroj, jsem jako
Let's high.
za každý vitamin se budou
Full
chvět.
sound.
Jediné, co mi vlastně pořád schází,
Presence.
je
Let's
peněz
play.
víc. Fit,
Full sound.
hned jak se další levy nám. Jsem fit.
See you next time. Bye.